Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss gold US dollar, euro US dollar and these other pairs that I have on my panel. I'm sure enough you must have made good profits today because all of the analysis I gave you yesterday for intraday and for day trade worked really nicely. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. Gold US dollar, I have to discuss it. Euro US dollar, I have to discuss it. It dropped very nicely from yesterday, around 98 pips I have made. Right here I had a trade as well, and dollar yen as well. Dollar yen is still dropping, long-term trades up there, but I will be discussing the intraday as well. Then the pound dollar I want to discuss as well, and the dollar CAD, the Aussie dollar, US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, and obviously the pound yen I'm going to discuss. So first of all, let's have a look at the pound yen at this particular moment. I'm going to delete everything, and right here if you see I'm on the H4 at the moment. I don't want to go into the much details of daily time frame and then the weekly time frame because the analysis will be so much lengthy. So first of all, let's have a look at the yen, and quickly I will be marking these areas of support and resistance right here. So this is going to be a resistance at the moment, 186. The support zone that I'm going to pick for this particular analysis definitely is all the way from right here. I will be quickly just checking it on the daily time frame because yes, that is completely perfect, and this is now going to be a support with me for the future. This whole area you can see right here is going to be a support. And if I switch to the H4, on the H4 time frame, what it shows me, first of all I have to find out the previous broken level. There are a lot of the levels which were broken, but again I will be trying to look for that level on the daily time frame, and here it comes right here on the H4. If we see this one, a very nice support and intra day support I should say it is, but first of all we have to understand that this market actually bounces off from a long-term resistance as well. As you can see right here, it created a very nice double top up there, then a rally, then even a retest, which definitely is a short-term bullish rally followed after this to make the image completely complicated for the retail traders. And then when everyone was on a buy trade, market makers tried to push it, and let's see what it's going further, where it is going further I should say. So first of all, this is going to be a support no doubt, and till tomorrow, and unless price breaks this level to the top side, I'm not sure if it is going to break it or not, but to the bottom side if it breaks it, there will be a very nice opportunity of around 600-700 pips. And at the moment, if I apply my Fibonacci right here, there is one thing which is very special, and that is the break out from the Fibonacci and the break into the Fibonacci, which is most of you then ask me what are the confirmations from the market. So let me tell you that this is also a confirmation, a breakout from the Fibonacci, which means it should at least take a test from right here. So if it gives a breakout and on the retest, it should be completing this cycle, but it did not did that, and that if it completed this cycle, definitely it would be further bullish. But now on the H4, since it break in, and not just break in, but it is clearly standing at the previous support, and at the time of recording of this video I see no signs of buy. So it clearly suggests 183.316 a drop. Then tomorrow we have a fundamental activity, and if it further drops, then it's going to, like, if it gives you us this breakout retest, then I'm going to look it further down towards 178, but that will take a little bit of time for now, specifically, there is also one zone right here with us. This whole rally started, and since if this is an impulsive wave with me, definitely it will have a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So any sell opportunity and any downward move at the moment, I will be looking for 182. So this support right here, I think it now doesn't make good sense for me, but still it is a support. So I will be, let's delete these things, let's delete these as well. Right here, this is going to be a very nice reversal zone to the top, but remember, since it is trading on the higher time frames at a resistance zone, so I will not recommend any sort of buy opportunities right here. Well, intraday can take buy opportunities right here tomorrow, the whole day, and even the Tokyo session will open, so you can trade it. Otherwise, I'm just observing it for now, and upon proper confirmation I will be taking long-term trades. New Zealand US dollar, let's see what I have said yesterday. Since this was the previous analysis and this was the, I want to delete it. It worked very nicely as well, most of you may know. So right here, what I'm going to do, I want to delete this Fibonacci, and last night I have discussed several trade opportunities with you, out of which one was this as well, sell from right here. So this sell area almost gave 65 pips of profit, and if I drag and drop my Fibonacci, you will clearly see that this buy setup was also discussed with all of you from 61.8% retracement, so it should be 33 pips up at the moment, and I still see 0.60828 and 0.60529, but it has to close above this zone first of all. And at the moment, if I complete my ABCD pattern on this impulsive wave, it will look something like this. So right here we have got a 61.8% retracement, and the completion is going to be exactly near 0.6049. so this is the current plan. Let's see what it gives us. Very nice opportunity. Intraday traders, congratulations, you have made it. And the long-term traders, you can move your stop to break even, you can move your stop till here and continue looking bullish, or you can just leave your stop loss where it is and just wait for this one. But that obviously totally depends on you, since we have got a breakout of this one right here. So I think market will be continue pushing up further. Aussie dollar, US dollar, what I said last night and even before that, a buy from right here, that obviously went up towards there was one level with us right here, if you can clearly see, and market exactly took a bounce off from that level. So the market moved around 661 pips right here, and it took a very nice support. This sell was not in on my radar list, but this intraday buy, I have discussed it. And one thing I want to tell you, whenever I say a breakout, a retest, what I mean by that, understand it now. A breakout, and we have got a retest. So those who took a sell from there made profits. Those who took a buy from here towards, if you have taken buy from right here, the ideal TP will be around 65.15. and if you are looking further to the downside of the market, it can go down. In that situation, 0.6440 and 0.6450 will be some nice buying opportunities, and even if this double bottom forms, that will be indicating towards a very strong rally. Move on to the USDCAD, and right here, if we can see, last night I have discussed it. Even I took a buy trade which was giving me good profits right here. If you remember, I took a buy from right here, and it gave me around from right here, and on the confirmation right here I closed 29 pips I got from it, but my overall plan on this is that CAD is going to drop, and there is just one support right here. Let it close below this and then see the rally towards 1.3353 and 1.3266. Move on to the pound dollar. Well, last night I have discussed it, and what I said is this is going to be the resistance zone with us, and the market exactly dropped, but I wasn't interested in this sell opportunity. I will be taking buy maybe from right here or maybe from right here. Dollar yen, I have discussed it last night and it is clearly going down, so I have a long-term trade opportunity, and my TP is 137, but let's see how much I get out of this particular trading plan. This area for now 144.55 is on my radar list, and I will be looking at this. Euro US dollar, last night I gave a sell trade from there, gave me 87 pips, and this exactly was discussed last night. So congratulations everyone if you have made this 110 pips of profit. Now we have to see on the H1. Let's find out what it's going to do further. Since we are getting more data, the charts are getting technical further with each passing day, and that's because it makes things complicated for the traders, but I will remain bullish from right here. Let's see what it gives me. So I took a buy trade, and for this buy trade I'm setting its SL right here, which will be so much in my opinion. But if you see the target is going to be all the way up there, which I have already discussed these analysis. It is clearly indicating for this ABCD pattern. Now if it doesn't do it, nothing is guaranteed, but this is the formula, and I think this will be the perfect TP zone for this particular trade, and the stop loss should be just below this level. So the stop loss is 86 pips and the take profit is 147 pips. So okay, that is completely perfect. So this is the situation, and if it drops right here and creates this bottom, still it will be valid for a buy. But if it gives a break below, then I will be switching to the sell side of the market. This is the H1. Now on the M15, if we see on the M15 right here, there is plenty of zones right here. But if let's say this trade I took, let's suppose if you want to leave it, 33 pips of stop loss and 15 pips of TP it will be. So it makes also a sense. I just want to take a practice trade right here as well. For tomorrow the TP is right here, and for this one the SL is right here. So let's see. Okay, things are now working very nicely. It's going up, definitely it's further going up. This is going to be retested once again, and then it has to go further up. Gold US dollar, my friends. On the gold US dollar, what I said last night, everyone was taking buy. What I said was it's going to make a consolidation zone right here, and I will be switching to the H1 to find out that what actually it's going to give me. I'm holding a sell position as well. Tomorrow we have a very strong non-farm FOMC, non-farm employment change, so that can shake the markets a little bit. So before that, obviously I want to close, or maybe I don't want to close it right now. I just have this sell trade, and this is the TP of 1924. At the moment on the H1, this is going to be a tiny breakout zone for us, and unless price closes below 1939 to the bottom side, it will be trying to go further up. And how far it can go up, definitely there is one ABCD pattern, so unfortunately that will also hit my stop loss, a very smaller one. I'm not recommending a buy at this moment because it is at a resistance zone. It will hit my stop loss in that situation, so I'm not gonna move it. Let's see what it gives me. I still see it should drop towards 1924.79, but that depends on you traders, how you take this whole rally and how you want to trade it overall. the trend, and this trend, if you can see, triple retest trend, I should say. Even if it drops, still we will be trading inside the trend, so that will not be very hard, right? Remember everyone, most of the trader loses a lot of the money not understanding the forex markets. So if you are taking a new start, if you are not making consistent profits, if you want to learn this whole technique, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number, and I will be guiding you further about my premium courses. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.